Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to supercharge your professional networking. Today, we're tackling how to join a group on the LinkedIn app in 2025. If you're looking to expand your network, share insights, or dive into industry discussions, joining groups is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you get all the new features and a smoother experience. Open the app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. It's that magnifying glass icon you've probably used before. Now, type in the name of the group you're interested in. For example, if you're in marketing, search for Marketing Professionals Network. As you type, LinkedIn's Smart Search will suggest relevant groups based on your profile and activity. Pretty cool, right? Hit enter, and you'll see a list of results. Scroll through and tap on the group that catches your eye. Once you're on the group's page, look for the Join button. In 2025, LinkedIn has made this even easier with a prominent blue button at the top. If the group is open, you'll join instantly. But if it's a private or moderated one, you might need to request to join. Don't worry, just fill out a short request form explaining why you're interested. After you've joined, take a moment to introduce yourself in the group's feed to make a great first impression. Pro tip: engage regularly by posting, commenting, and liking content to build meaningful connections. Remember, groups are all about interaction, so dive in. Wrapping this up, joining groups on LinkedIn is a simple yet powerful way to grow your professional circle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep networking.